Okay, happy Saturday, everybody. I am going to do a very quick video on the 21 EMA strategy that any new trader can do to help them begin to be a consistent, profitable trader. So, all we're going to do is add one indicator, and it's called the colored EMA. So, just type in colored EMA and it should pop up. And it is by Covalar. So we add that one indicator, and then we're going to change the settings to 21. And the gist of the strategy is just to simply follow the 21. If all of the candles are above the 21, that's when you will enter the market into a call. If all the candles are below, you will enter into a put. Now, the one thing that you need to be mindful of is when the market open to plot your lows, your highs, whether you use the supply and demand tool or whether you use the horizontal array tool. But just know where your support is so you can know where the buyers and the sellers are. Let's find a more complex day. Okay, so here we are here. Once again, all of the candles are under the 31. And if we plot our morning levels, we have resistance here. And I know I'm going to do the first three candles of the morning. And we have our, well, not support. We never really got support this morning, but I would draw my blinds with the first the four candles of the day. And then I will enter in. But when you enter in, you want to enter in when the price is coming back towards your lines or back towards the 21 EMA. Same thing here. Once we started to round off and you find support here, then you would exit your put position. And then, but being that we had support here, you will wait until your candles are all the way above the 21 EMA. Although we know we're at support right here, you could enter early, but the safest way is to just be patient, hold your hands until the candles close all the way above the 21 and the candles are holding above the 21. Now I want to find a choppy day. Okay, here we go. Here's a choppy day. So as the candles are going, the EMA is going through the candles like this. You do not want to enter that. That shows a sign of weakness. That shows a sign of indecision and consolidation. You want to wait until all the candles, once again, are below or all the way above. Right here, we have this hanging out from the EMA. So that would be no play. In my book, that would be chop. Now, if you're a scalper, yeah, you can get in here and scalp and get out and do your thing. But to get a actual move in the market, especially on these zero DTE contracts, you want to make sure that it's a breakout. Now, we never know how long the breakout's going to be, so you want to be taking your position and moving your stops along the way. And let's find another choppy day, and then I am done. So, like here, if you follow the 21, you see it's not going up. It's kind of going sideways. So, as you follow it, you can see then it's going down. Although we're green here, we never gotten above the morning level. So here's my candles, 1, 2, 3, 4. So my line would have been here. We never really had any follow through here. It just kind of stayed in this area. So once all the candles are all the way below here, that's when we will enter into a put position. Then when we get here, we find support. And then we want to wait until all the candles are above. You see right here, the candle starts to go above the 21, but remember we have all of this excess down here. So all of the candles are not all the way above the EMA like they are here. See right here, we have no leftovers right here. We have no candles that are just hanging around outside of the EMA. All of them are above the 21. So I hope that this video helps someone to become a more consistent, profitable trader, a more confident trader. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.